like you're the reason for every hole in my soul. But when the days are golden and the world feels right, I never think to look up, never thank you for the light. Funny how the heart keeps score, only when it's hurting more. I'll blame you for the rain, forgot you in the sun, run to you in pain, but not when joy comes. I'm learning how to see the truth. I've been running. You're in the love, the grace, the peace, not just a storm that's coming. Feel the hurt louder. Maybe I'm scared of the quiet power of a love that doesn't shout to be seen, but keeps showing up for me. I've been living like blessings, a background noise, like mercy's just a given, not a choice. But every breath is proof you're near, even when I'm too distracted to heal. Funny how I call your name, only when I'm drowning in shame. I blame you for the rain, forgot you in the sun, joy comes. I'm learning how to see the truth. I've been out running. You're in the love, the grace, the peace, not just a storm that's coming. I've been blind to the quiet miracles, the everyday invisible, the kindness I didn't earn, the lessons I refused to learn. But you were steady in the shadows, patient in the highs and lows. Blaming you for storms while ignoring all the calm. No more running, only when the world feels like it's gone wrong. I blame you for the rain, forgot you in the sun, cried out in the pain, but missed the gentle love. Now I'm learning how to see the truth. I kept on shining. That's coming. You're in the love, the grace, the peace, even when I saw nothing.